As soon as we start talking about the movement of nutrients and the risks involved in nutrient losses, there's an awful lot of things to think about. So it's about weather, it's about soil type, it's about ground conditions, ground cover. So it was a case of trying to devise an app that wasn't overly complicated but had the right parameters that we needed to measure in order to get an accurate, sensible picture. It gives you your soil conditions, your weather forecast, and all the parameters that will likely affect the risks of either nutrient loss or conditions that might affect spray drift. It's all in one place. Within the app, one of the important things we're measuring is soil temperature, which is key to nutrient uptake. The decisions we make about when we go with nitrogen applications or slurry applications is all about trying to get as much of that nitrogen into grass as possible. Within the app, we've got a traffic light system. So on a day like today, there's obviously no risk. So everything on the app is nice and green. As soon as we get into areas where the soil moisture starts to increase, then any rainfall is going to be more likely to run off the top. So if I got 5 or 6 mil of rain today, not a problem. If I've got 5 or 6 mil of rain when the soil moisture is already fairly saturated, then it creates conditions of runoff, particularly on sloping ground, and it raises the risks of areas close to watercourses. The app will always give you a snapshot looking forward, so I'm not just interested in what it's going to do today, I want to know what the weather forecast is for tomorrow and the day after. So all the loss period really is that 48, 72 hours rather than just what's going on today.